with the others. Ooh, I put those on when you really love me, but those times we're really far away.
It's just I haven't been feeling good. I've been sick, you know, with all this corona going around and all this stuff. So still not feeling, you know, that good, but I just felt like, okay, it's my 9th day. Let me just film a video. So excuse my voice if it sounds a little bit weird. So yeah, guys, thank you for your continued support. Thank you for those that continue to subscribe. It means so much to me. Thank you for bearing with me, not being able to upload. Like, it was really bad. I still don't have my taste or my smell back, but all for the glory of God, I am fine, I'm good. So I'm grateful for that. Do a Thanksgiving makeup look. So we all know that this week Thanksgiving is on Thursday, if I'm mistaken. So yeah, guys, I just thought I would create a nice little Thanksgiving makeup look for you guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below. Don't forget to become part of the Butterfly family. And also, let's just get right into the video. Okay, guys, so let's take a little bit of my Gatorade. Says to stay hydrated. The worst thing about testing positive or whatever is not having no taste or smell. Like, not being able to eat and taste your food is horrible. Not being able to smell is horrible, but I'm not complaining because I'm still grateful. I know there are others that get it worse, and I'm so grateful that I didn't get it that bad. So I'm just really grateful, guys. Just always be grateful in the midst of things that happen in your life. Be grateful, because sometimes you can have something, but there's others that are going through it worse than you. So always just give God thanks and thankfulness and be grateful for what's going on. Too much today, because I don't want a video to be forever, because it's been a long time, guys. I miss talking to you guys and filming and things like that. So yeah, I already did my brows, as you can see, and I did my lids. I use, as always, concealer, my e.l.f. You guys know this is one of my holy grails. Like, ever since it came out, I really love this concealer. Like, it's non-stop. I have to purchase another one. It's just one of my favorites. I love it under my eyes. I love it to use as a primer. It's just an amazing overall, amazing concealer. I'm gonna use my Sculpture Anastasia and Beverly Hills palette today. And I just like this one because I feel like it has all the amazing, beautiful colors for fall. Like, it has this kind of chrome greenish. It has yellows and oranges and like the plums, and it's just like amazing colors. Like, it's just so pretty. I'll apply a little bit of Dawn in my eyes, just to kind of put a little bit of color into my eyes. It's like perfect for fall, like Thanksgiving, especially Thanksgiving. A little sad that I won't be able to enjoy Thanksgiving or be with family or even enjoy Thanksgiving, but I'm pretty sure though, you know, we'll be able to eat some Thanksgiving dinner, me and my husband. But at the end of the day, we're grateful because I still have my husband, and we're good, we're healthy, we're okay, and that's all that matters at the end of the day. Then I'm just gonna kind of add like all over the lid, just to kind of bring that nice little brown color, you know. In my beauty room, it's the only thing I was stuck legit in my beauty room. In my beauty room, because, you know, I can't be going around spreading it around with my husband or anything like that. Well, my husband now has it, so now we're fine. But I am in my 10th day or something like that, so I'm just waiting like 2 more days and then get tested again, just to make sure that I'm good and clear and all that stuff. But then now my husband's the one that has to be like in quarantine now. So yeah, but other than that, I'm grateful. I hope I get my smell and my taste back soon, guys. This whole time that I haven't had, like, it's been like 6 days that I can't smell or taste. I've been watching mukbangs. Oh my god, guys, don't do that. That's like the worst thing to do. Watch videos of mukbangs of eating, and you can't even, so like my mouth is getting watery from watching them, but I cannot. I'm like, oh my god, if I could just taste that taco or taste that Cheetos cheese steak or whatever it is that they're making, I'm like, oh my god. I was basically torturing myself, guys. That's all I was doing, torturing myself. So don't do that. Do not do that. So I'm gonna grab the shade, this shade right here. I'm gonna go with New Wave. These colors are really pretty. I just find them a little like powdery, like that's how you say. Okay, so then I'm just gonna grab right here. into the socket right here and bring it back and forth. And this color is so pretty, guys, because it's like a mustard, I don't know, like a honey mustard shade. So it's really, I really like it a lot. And just build it up a little bit, you know, just keep building it. And really just bring it there. I always find ways like to do shadows, because you can always find so many ways, guys, to learn how to put your eyeshadow. And then start bringing it up. See right there, that looks nice already. This shade really is pretty. I really like this. Just really bringing it into the socket. That's all you guys are doing. And then bringing the other brush. Don't worry, guys, I have a mirror here. And I'm just basically okay, see, like that looks so nice and like flawlessly. I really like that a lot. So yeah, guys, I hope that you guys are all doing good and you guys are staying safe. Like, really try, if you have family and stuff, really try to stay home, guys. Don't go to the store if you need to go for groceries and stuff, and if you don't, try to stay home, you know. Like, try to keep your loved ones safe and your family and stuff like that, because this stuff is real. It's not a joke. It's hard because I work in childcare, so it's really hard to kind of like stay away from that. I'll start like I was telling you guys, and I'm gonna do the same process with this one. And it's more like a burgundy, so it should like match my shirt. And then this, I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to bring it into the socket. That's pretty. See that? Really into the socket there. And then start blending it. The only thing with these shadows, I find them that they kind of like, I don't know, they're like chalky, so that's why I kind of don't reach for this palette a lot. I just feel like they're very, the shades are like very chalky. But once again, just continue blending and blending, and it should be nice. And see, like, looks so nice though. It blends really nicely. Okay, guys, even if you see how pretty it looks, like, it looks so nice. I like that a lot. And just keep going like in steps, like build it up. Don't go so much with so much product at first, and then it just gets messed up. So just keep building it until you want the desired effect. See, like that looks so pretty, nice and smoked out, really nice. Next eye, because I don't want this video to be forever. And really bring it into the socket. Into the socket. And really keep it in there, guys. Just blend. Blend, guys. Blending is key. Windshield wipers. Blend. I try to hold my pen, like the brush, all the way to the bottom like this, because it kind of gives it a little feather than to just be like hard. So just kind of put it here. And then just go. Color New Wave. If you feel like it kind of went away, just grab a little bit in the tip and just really add it in there, and then start blending again. Looks nice. And then now we're gonna add the shade. Confused like which shade I should put. Let's see. Okay, well, so I'm gonna just mix Adorn and Electric together. So these two shades we're just gonna add together. Brush here, this is from Wet n Wild, and let's go with this one first. Ooh, okay, let's just put this one here. That's pretty. Then on the other side, we're gonna get Electric and put that like here on the inner corners of the eye, like the inner third. Ooh. That's pretty. See that? Ooh, that is so pretty, guys. I love this shade Electric. It's so nice. So pretty. Again, go back to Adorn and really blend that. Really blend that. See, that looks so pretty. I really like it. Really calls for fall. Thanksgiving, you know, like the green and the goldish kind of brass. It looks really nice. I'm gonna use my 3D Fox Make Weightless Volumizing lashes, which I really love these lashes. I'm gonna put these off camera and I'll be right back, okay? Yeah, so I'm back. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the mascara. But just up here, just so it kind of could blend together. Yeah, I'm doing really make it dramatic this time. And here we go. That's as good as my wing's gonna get today. I ain't got time for all that. I grab my Revolution Gold Addict highlighter, and I'm just gonna do that to highlight my brow bone. I think this looks better. Oh, this looks like, yeah. This is 10 times better. I'm gonna go back and really. Wow, I like the way the smokiness of the eye looks so nice. I'm just gonna add it right there. Yes. Yeah, that color's pretty. Okay, guys, now we're gonna go on to the face. I'm gonna go with one more layer just to kind of take these little blemishes that I have. perfect. See, now I'm going to set those under eyes, and I'm going to recently. My lips, I think I'm going to do this Jam With Me with Wet n Wild, which I think it looks really nice. See if that's, yeah, see, the brown kind of like just makes it all together. I love it, guys. So this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my socials. Don't forget to become part of the butterfly family. Thank you for continuing showing love on my videos. I really appreciate it. If you want to engage with me more on my Instagram, follow me there, because I'm mainly more on my Instagram, sometimes just Snapchat, but not as much as my Instagram. So yeah, follow me on my Instagram, be updated more on my future videos or anything that I'm changing on my channel. Please always follow me on my Instagram so you can be updated and know exactly what is going on and what to wait for and what to look for. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for today. Have a blessed day today. Do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share, give this video a big thumbs up, and like I always say, God bless you.